Hello students, welcome to the online Pathashala. Today we are going to learn about one of the another topic, that is hybridization. And in the earlier sessions we have learned easy tricks to find out hybridization. Now we are finding out the hybridization for the carbon compounds. Okay, before going into that we need to know three important points, that is, for any carbon, okay, for any carbon, if it is surrounded with 4 sigma bonds, okay, if any carbon, if it is surrounded with 4 sigma bonds, that is sp3 hybridization. Okay, if a carbon is having 3 sigma bonds, that carbon is having sp2 hybridization. Okay, and another one is, if any carbon is having 2 sigma bonds, if any carbon is surrounded with 2 sigma bonds and that carbon is having sp hybridization. Okay, now we will see how to find out hybridization for propane. Okay, propane, what is its formula, what is its structure? That is CH3, CH2 and CH3. This is what propane. Okay, now to split this propane, how we will split? Take carbon. Carbon is having 3 hydrogens, right? 1, 2 and 3. So hydrogen, hydrogen and another hydrogen. Again in between these 1 sigma bond is there. So carbon again. Here again carbon is having 2 hydrogens. So hydrogen and another hydrogen. Again sigma bond, and carbon, it is having 3 hydrogens. It is surrounded with 3 bonds, that is hydrogen and hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, to find out what is the hybridization for these 3 compounds, as if I have told you that if carbon is surrounded with 4 sigma bonds, see here carbon, always in between any 2 atoms, for sure 1 sigma bond will be formed. Okay, here only 1 bond is there and that 1 bond is sigma bond. Only we will consider for sigma bonds. Okay, here carbon is there. Here how many sigma bonds are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means carbon is being surrounded with 4 sigma bonds. So this carbon hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Again here carbon is surrounded with 4 sigma bonds. So this is also sp3 hybridization. Again here carbon, it is also surrounded with 4 sigma bonds. So this carbon is also having sp3 hybridization. That means in propane all carbon shows sp3 hybridization. Okay, now we will see for another example. Now pentane is there. Pentane means we are having 5 carbons. That once first we need to write 5 carbons. Okay, and what is the name here? 1,3-dimethyl pentane. What? 1,3-dimethyl pentane. That means in first position and third position we will be having methyl group. First position, okay, here CH3, and again in third position we are having another carbon, another CH3. Okay, in between these, so pentane is there, ane is there, so only 1 sigma bond. So all sigma bonds. Okay, as if you know that carbon valency is 4, that means carbon should be surrounded with 4 bonds. Okay, here carbon, in previously 2 bonds are there, so CH2. Here 2 are there, another 2 hydrogens. Again 3 here, carbon is surrounded with 3 and it is left with 1. So we will be writing H here. Again carbon you are having 2 and we are left with another 2. So we will be filling with hydrogen, that is H2. Again here CH3. Okay, for this we will see what is the hybridization. Okay, carbon, it is being surrounded with 4 sigma bonds. Okay, here hydrogen 1, 2 and 3 it will be there. So here sp3 hydrogen. Here also sp 3 hydrogen. Why? Because H2 it will be forming 2 bonds here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 sp3. And this here 1 hydrogen will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this is also sp3. Whenever one thing you need to remember is whenever you are having ane, it will be showing 1 sigma bond. So always all carbons will be showing sp3 hybridization. For suppose in between these two, if you are having double bond, okay, in between carbon and carbon, if you are having double bond, this is considered as pi bond and this is considered as sigma bond. Okay, that means carbon is being surrounded with 3 sigma bonds. So this carbon will be showing sp2 hybridization. This is the most important one you need to remember, that is carbon when it is surrounded with 4 bonds, that is sp3, carbon when it is surrounded with 3 bonds, that is sp2, and carbon which it is surrounded with 2 sigma bonds, that is sp. By these three conditions you can simply find hybridization for any organic compounds, Okay, I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the online Pathashala.